Hey, it's Selena back with another yoga tutorial video. And today I'm just gonna show you how to do 3 simple beginner-friendly hip opening poses that can help you out in your split journey. Splits require a lot of hip opening and a lot of leg extending. So I'm just gonna focus on some simple hip openers that will help you do just that. So let's get into it. All right, now, so we're first going to start off in a low lunge for 30 seconds. And as you can see, I'm arching my foot. However, you can keep your foot flat. Sometimes I just like to do different variations once I feel like I've learned the pose. But feel free to keep your foot flat and just breathe in and out while we're holding. And let's switch to the opposite side now. Doing the same thing. You can keep your foot flat or arch it if you feel comfortable enough to. Breathing in and out for 30 seconds. And now we're going to come into tabletop and then gently go into lizard pose. So get on your forearms, bring your right leg up, and align it with your right arm. And just hold this pose for about 20 seconds. And let's switch on over to the opposite side now. Bring your left leg up, align it with your left arm. Breathe in nice and slowly for about 20 seconds as well. Then we're going to come back on all fours again and gently drop down into wide-legged child's pose. And this is a gentle way to kind of open up your hips and also relax, especially after doing lizard pose. Then come back up. Slowly stretch it out, and then we're going to do a low lunge again. And remember, you do not have to arch your foot. Anytime you see my foot arched up, know that you can keep your foot flat on your yoga mat. Breathe in nice and slow in and out for up to 30 seconds and switch on over to the opposite side. Then we're going to come back down, go into lizard pose again. And whatever side you started on, go to the opposite side now. And then come back on all fours and come down into child's pose once more. Nice relaxation in child's pose, and come back up into all fours. All right, now only if you're comfortable, feel free to get into position to go ahead and go into a front facing split or a middle split, as I'm about to go into right now. And there we go. So again, don't feel pressured to do a split just right now, just because I'm doing it. Remember, I'm just going over some hip opening poses that can help you in your split journey. And without further ado, that is a wrap for this tutorial. Again, repeat this as many times as needed, and I will see you next time.